And it's Michelle Kiel here. Welcome to International Scrapbook Day. I have a fun challenge here on my channel, but I want you to know that the Hip Kit channel and the Facebook page are doing lots of fun things today, challenges and activities every 30 minutes, as well as a giveaway for a $10 Hip Kit gift certificate. So it's going to be going on between 10 a.m. and 10 p.m. Standard Eastern Time. So my challenge today are these fun ephemera pockets. You can use these to hold memories. You can use them for notes, tags. They're just fun little inserts, and they're great in mini albums or on your scrapbook page layouts, or just by themselves, just like this. You can see they would stack really nicely in an accordion album. So I'm gonna start off with a 3x4 white cardstock paper from my kit. I'm gonna be using my April 2022 kit to create all these fun things today. This does not have to be white, but I chose white because I like the way it looks. I'm gonna just corner around the top of this because it just looks more like a pocket, I guess, when you corner around it, but you can leave it square. The pocket area is going to be a 3.5 by 3.5 inch paper, and I'm just going to take that 3.5 by 3.5 inch paper and score it at 1/4 inch 3 times around. It doesn't matter which side you use, it's just really the way your paper is facing. And once you've done your 3 scores, you're gonna go ahead and take these little 2 boxes at the bottom and just notch it off. I kind of just do mine like this. It makes it easier to fold the scores once you're done. So go ahead and fold the scores. And now what I'm gonna do is take my circle nesting dies and I'm going to tape it on here and run it through my die machine. I feel like this is a little larger than a 2-inch circle punch, and it gives it a more professional pocket look. So once you do that, just kind of, washi tape it on there and run it through your machine. And the depth of how you want this is, all preference. You could even put it a little lower. But once you've done that, you should have pockets that look like this. So I've done 2 of them because I'm going to decorate 2 pockets with you guys, but it looks so nice and I love how it came out. So I'm just going to go ahead and take another 3x4 cardstock for my second piece, and I'm going to corner around the top again. And now I'm going to just glue these on to the base of these. So I'm going to glue it on the portion that is not corner rounded. You can glue or use tape adhesive, it doesn't matter, but I'm just going to use glue today because it's quick. So I'm going to go ahead and glue it on right now. And I just love how it looks with the white background. I just feel like it looks like something you would get in one of your pocket kits. So they look beautiful just as this, but of course I'm going to go ahead and decorate my pockets. And I did not let the glue dry completely on this second one, so I'm just going to have to fix that real quick. I'm gonna just hold it here for a minute. And with my pockets, I used the chipboard pieces, I used die cuts and things like that. So this 2 3/4 by 3 3/4 is the paper I use to put my photos on. That just, breaks up the layers a little bit in this. And I'm gonna be using these tabs from my kaleidoscope dies. And I just like how it looks because it adds a little bit of contrast inside the pocket, and it's a fun way to pull out your photos or notes or whatever you have on there. So I like how these look, and I'm just going to select which pocket I want them to go into. I like the light blue with the pink, and then I like this with the colored paper. So now's the fun part. We're going to decorate. I'm going to take one of my photos, and this does have an adhesive on the back, but I'm going to actually just take a puffy sticker and put it on that way, just to give it a fun look. And then I also like to take my lettering and just add some words onto the photo, because I feel like it's a really nice way to, you know, make the photo kind of come to life and tell a little bit of a story without actually telling a story. So I just place it on the bottom here and then slip it into my pocket. Now I'm just going to take some of my chipboard, and you can see I go back and forth with my ideas, but I'm going to place it on the pocket. I kind of like it. I like the soft pink with the soft pink, so I'm going to put that on there and this on here. And it looks kind of bland like that, so what I like to do is accent and layer it. So I'm going to take a puffy sticker and just kind of layer it on top of that. And you could keep going with this. You could add die pieces or more chipboard, but I just kind of like 2 layers. And I like it like that. And these are tags. You could also insert the tags in here. You could write a little story for the photo behind it. And I have another tag here. And I'm using the printed side, but that was like too much, so I flipped it because I like the green contrasting with the pink. So this is a little chipboard that I have, a round one, and what I'm going to do is just take a standard size paper clip, a larger one, and you could either glue this on with hot glue gun, or you can just stick it on. Like I said, if you're mailing this, I would definitely use hot glue. If you're trying to just, you know, decorating something, this would be fine, and I just love the way it looks. So these are my pockets. They're so easy to make, and you could just see how they came to life, and you know, you don't have to buy like pockets. You can make your own out of these kits, and they're just a lot of fun. All right, guys. Don't forget to subscribe to the Hit Kit channel for more fun inspiration.